Here we come to the service elevators at the Old Crowne Plaza Hotel, which is now a Hotel Fantech and Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated. Both tenants have access to these service elevators, so they both share the service elevators here. And this is in Fantech City. We still got the original Dover elevators with the original Dover fixtures. Down's locked, up works. The elevators behind me, on the same controller, go down to the basement, but it's locked out. It's probably going to be one of these two, though. And yes, these elevators do serve all 51 floors of the building. No handrail. Pardon the wind, because there is a blizzard going on right now. So yeah, look. Floors 2 through 31, Hotel Fantech, this line divides it, and the top floors are Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated. Let's go to Penthouse. 50. Doofenshmirtz is really serious about the penthouse being his, but that's okay. He deserves it. Pretty slow, but not the slowest elevators in the world. Notice how the 2 didn't have a beep. Another indicator glitch. Here at 50. Let's go back down to 1. Here we go. Again, these are not very fast elevators, but they're not ridiculously slow like the Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated used to be, as well as the Hilton Marquis used to be. This is doable, though. And once again, these elevators serve all the floors in the building as well. And that's it.